Hello, today we're going to show you how to use Google Authenticator to get instant MFA codes when logging into myCGS. With Google Authenticator, providers no longer need to wait on email or text codes. First, we'll show you what it's like to log into myCGS using Google Authenticator. Enter your user ID and password as usual, click Submit. When Google Authenticator is set up in your account, this message will display. If you have the Google Authenticator mobile app, open it on your cell phone and enter the 6-digit code displayed. If you have the Google Authenticator web browser extension, click on the icon and enter the 6-digit code displayed. Within seconds, you're inside the portal. Now that you've seen how Google Authenticator works, we're going to walk through how to install it on your mobile phone or website browser. You can effectively install Google Authenticator through either of these options, but not both. You must select mobile phone or web browser. First, we'll show you how it works with your cell phone. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search Google Authenticator. Download the app. Next, log into your myCGS account. Once in the portal, go to My Account. You probably have email and/or mobile phone entered, and we recommend that you keep those. But now, scroll down and press the button titled Authenticator Setup. A QR code will display on your screen. Follow the instructions on your Google Authenticator app to scan the QR code. You can also manually enter the code, but scanning is easier. After successfully scanning, press the Submit button. A message will ask you to confirm your Authenticator setup with the 6-digit code. In that box, enter the 6-digit code displayed on your app and press Check Code. You're all set. Next time you log in, you can open your mobile app and enter the 6-digit code for your MFA with 0 wait time. Now we'll walk you through how to add Google Authenticator as a web browser extension. Make sure you're using Edge, Firefox, or Chrome. Go to the website authenticator.cc and click the blue Add To button. You'll be taken to one of 3 screens depending on your browser of choice. We'll use Chrome in this example. Follow the instructions and click the button that says Get or Add To. After completing these steps, log into myCGS in the same browser. So if you downloaded the Chrome extension, log into the portal using Chrome. Go to My Account and scroll down and then press the button Authenticator Setup. A QR code will display on your screen. Now it's time to use the extension. In the top right corner of your browser, there will be a small Google Authenticator icon. You may have to click on an extensions icon to see the Google Authenticator icon. Click on the icon. Now you need to scan the QR code. Find the icon that indicates Scan. It may look like a square with a line through it. Click the scan icon and then click and drag your cursor over the QR code. Then a message will pop up saying that your account has been added. Next, you must click the blue Submit button to save your preferences. Don't forget this step. Now you will need to get your 6-digit code. Once again, click on the browser extension icon in the top right corner. You will see a 6-digit code. Enter the code and click Check Code. Congrats! Your MFA preferences are set up. Providers have described using Google Authenticator as fast, easy, simple, and convenient. We agree, and we hope that you enjoy this portal enhancement.